Welcome back to one more episode from jQuest, and this is the Zostel tour. And right now I'm in Zostel Wayanad. Let's roll it. If you're already subscribed, you know what this video is about. But if you're not, it's a brief introduction here. This is the Zostel tour. I travel around the Zostel and make a video. So I'll give a view, a tour around the Zostel. And right now I'm standing at entrance. You can see all green lush tea plantation here. And that's a road where you can come out. And you'll be welcomed by a doggy. His name is Jackie, and he's a nice guy. And apparently he follows me around. You also can see this board: "Don't go outside after 7 p.m. without permission. Caution: wild animals." There are wild animals here. And Jackie, you're back. Let's do a Zostel tour. This dog actually came with me for a trek yesterday. So that's the Zostel board, Zostel, and we're gonna do a tour video of the Zostel Wayanad. As soon as you come in, you can see all green lush, all the green tea plantation. You can have a good view of mountain. So that's the entrance where we came from, and have a good parking space. You can park many vehicles here. You enter here. Reception is right here. I'll take you inside. This is the reception area where you check in, and then right here, common room area. As every hostel adds, it has amazing art, all the fun activities, and we have a lot of board games here. You have nice place, cozy place to sit. You have a guitar which you can use, play. You have some drum rolls, music setup. A projector. They sometimes play a movie at the night. They have a carom board, a place, nice cozy bean bags. It's a nice place to sit and relax. Also, they have this fun thing which you can see happy birthday. You can celebrate your birthdays, your bachelor's party thing. This is a cozy place. And by the way, I like this artwork. It's made from nails and thread. You can see the borders are made from nails, and they have used thread to make the globe. It's handmade. Good. And every Zostel has a Zostel map. So you can see all the Zostel properties around India. There are almost 36 or 38 or 36. 36, I guess. So 36 properties. I've covered 4 till now. 32 more to go. And Zostel activity board. You can see various activities they have for a day. They have a good tiny library where you can pick a book, sit and read. That's a store area, mini store area. You can buy the tea, or they have noodles, soaps, everything. And this is the reception area. You have to check in right here. As you come out from the reception area, if you right past here, this is the other door for the common area, and this is her extra room, I guess. This is a private room. You have one more private room here, and private room here. So Zostel Wayanad has 4 private rooms also situated here. Let's go on. So if you see this and turn right here, this was a long hall passage. So we can walk through the passage, and you can find this beautiful little pond. It's actually a fish tank or fish pond, which right now they don't have fishes in it, but soon they'll be having fish in it. And that's outdoor common area. Last night we had a bonfire right here. Kabhi, kabhi. And we sat all around this. We had a music system set up there. We had a great time here. We also danced, and I learned some new steps. Sitting your campfire, if you look right there, you'll have a good view of the mountain. So we just got back, and again you have a hallway. If you walk right here, you have a small coffee table. You can have coffee or tea table. You can sit here, have a coffee, chit chat. Most beautiful view. And there's a dart. You can throw some darts. Nice. Right. Every hostel has a artwork. I'll show you more of the artwork. This is one of the artwork, wall art. And these all are the dormitories. You have mixed dormitories as well as female dormitories. So I'll give a tour of my dormitory, which I stayed. So let's go in. To enter, this is what you look at. That is my bag. Ignore that. I'm packed up because it's early in the morning. I'll be leaving today, so I already packed my bag. This is how the mixed dormitory looks like. And let me give a tour of a bed. So this is a bunker bed. Compared to the last Chikmagalur bunker bed, the width is small but is cozy. And I like about is it has white backsheets, bedspread, white. I like the white ones better than the darker grey ones. All the rest three, Vagamam and Alapaya had white. Chikmagalur had dark grey, which I didn't like, but this is good. And best part is how comfy is the bed is. You know, it's very comfy. I don't know whether you can make out in the video. It's like a soft and comfy. The pillows are comfy, and the most thing I liked about it is this blanket. It feels really good. It's soft. It's nice. That's the best part which I like. And you get a cozy sleep, nice pillow. And it's my phone right now. It's charging. One problem I face is the charging thing. Sockets are a little loose. I would suggest you to get a 3-point adapter or something. I don't know why, but most of them are loose, so I just kept here for charging. That's a charging port. You can use your laptop. There's a mini light. Every hostel has this kind of mini light. Let me turn now. So you can put it on if you're reading something, or you can turn all the way up. It's a nice, cozy, small light. And they don't have fans. It's cool in the night, but if there was option for fan, it was nice because at some point I was feeling hot because I'm a warm body. They have one fan, so it's best to choose this bed. And they give you this lockers. Make sure you ask for the key. So these are the lockers. Let me give you open. So this is how it looks. It looks like an ancient preserved, like antique look lockers. It has a good space. My bag, 90-liter bag, fit right in this. You have a hanger. You can hang things. This is about the lockers. Then coming to the washrooms, they have nice, cozy, tiny washrooms, but that does the job. They have a overhead shower. That's nice shower though. Then a western toilet, a sink, a dustbin, paper towels. One thing is like it's a little tiny. The paper towels there. If you're having shower, sometimes the water may drop on the paper towels. That's a bad thing, but still, does the job. And right there, we saw this. So, photo frame. You have a complete jungle, and there's one, Kerala TC bus right there, old bus. So I think, among all the jungle, you can notice that one colorful dot. Coming back to the tour, we are exiting the dormitory right now. So just came out, and Zostel has this wall hanging hearts everywhere, and always in a dormitory after most shoes. Best part is Zostel is you meet people. So I met him yesterday. In Zostel, you get to meet amazing people.
So I'm Kiri. Basically, I'm from Uttarakhand, and I'm like traveling in South these days.
Okay.
So we'll be here for like another 3-4 months. After that, I'll be moving back to my native.
Okay. I'll catch you in some time. Sure. It was nice meeting you.
Sure.
The dormitory goes on till the end. You have somewhere female separate dormitory. Then if you turn right here, you have a small passage. Before that, there's a huge wall art here, and you can see all the images like how the Wayanad changed. And there's huge this passage, which takes you to the kitchen and the dining area. You get to walk to this tiny thing. They say that this was a hospital before. They have wall art here, a huge table. You have 24/7 tea, coffee, cornflakes, bread. You have for you've dumped plastic waste there, food waste here, and you have all the utensils. It's self-service, pick up, clean it, wash it, keep it there back. And amazing cook. Uh, so he prepares the food. And you also have microwave. We can boil eggs. He is preparing a black tea for me. And they have a tea estate here, so you get an amazing tea here. I'll take this tea and continue the tour video. And back to the tour. This guy is following me from a long time. Say hi to the vlog. Come on, say hi. So it's a friendly dog. He's been friendly to me, but they say that he's not friendly to everyone, so that's a good thing. Come on, Jackie, come. Jackie, come. Come. I'm going back. Come. This side, Jackie. This side. So he goes around, then he comes running. So this is a wonderful property. It goes around 800. They say it goes around 800 acres, and they say you can go anywhere in the property as long as you find this tea estate. It's all yours. So it's a nice thing. Huge ass property. Yesterday we went on a trek. And amazing at the experience at the trek, and they have these hammocks over there. There's one over there, and there's one. So I'll take you around. By the way, look at this amazing view. You have a huge mountain there. I'm going through the tea estate right now. You go to the hammock over there. But one thing, there are leeches. Yesterday we went on a trek and we found leeches. It's a scary part. But it's okay, it's worth enjoying the view. It has a beautiful view. And that's our hammock which I was talking about. There is already a person sitting there, so look at this tea estate. It's nice. That's where you can sit and look at the amazing view right there. It's a breathtaking view. And Zostel is right there. Right opposite to that is wonderful view. That's nice though. You should come to this property. Had a nice experience. And the best part is look at that view. A huge mountain there. And when that is open for tourists, you have to trek there. That too early mornings, watch sunrise. Good. You also have this chairs which you can, take around, sit. These are foldable chairs. It's nice chairs though. And let's go back. By the way, if you notice, they have this old chairs. Still they preserve this antique chairs. And they say that this was a hospital building, 1951, I guess. They have a history. The manager explained the history. And they also have this board right here which has details. And the last thing which I wanted to show you was this map, this Wayanad map. It probably takes 2 to 3 days to visit all the places. So as usual, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon. And do check out these videos at the side. I also made a separate playlist. Do check it out. Bye bye.